Welcome to Snug Notes. This is Tarina. Today we're going to be doing a project share. This collection is from Roll With It. It's a 3x4 mini and it is loaded. It's got everything. Baking is a work of art. This collection is also very thick paper. We got a little pie down here. We've got our paper clip and tool. Got our notebook paper. Here we have one of the collection pages. It says, I did a sticker on here. It says, I will not be shaken. Psalm 16:8. We've got index cards. We have our first folder with a pocket. This is a very cute collection as well. Kind of retro. Baked with Love. Got another pocket here. It's Time to Get Baking cookbook. Roll With It is the name of the collection. I do believe it's Echo Park. Roll With It sticker. The last folder. Pies and bread. Got a little belly band here. And we've got our vellum envelope with just some ephemera in it. More paper. Thanks for watching.